Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Gaba rice. First, measure 1 cup of Gaba rice and rinse it well under cool, running water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and impurities. Next, place the rinsed rice into your rice cooker pot and add 1.2 cups of fresh water. Allow the rice to soak for a minimum of 2 hours or even overnight to properly activate the Gaba. This crucial step ensures the rice becomes softer and more nutritious. Once your Gaba rice has finished soaking, it's time to cook it. If your rice cooker has a specific brown rice or Gaba rice setting, select that option. This setting is designed to provide the optimal cooking time and temperature for germinated grains. If your cooker doesn't have this specialized setting, simply use the regular white rice setting, but extend the cooking time to about 30 minutes. Remember, do not lift the lid during cooking to maintain consistent steam and heat. After the cooking cycle completes, resist the urge to open the lid immediately. It's essential to let the Gaba rice rest in the cooker for at least 10 minutes. This resting period allows the steam to redistribute evenly, resulting in perfectly cooked, fluffy grains. Once rested, gently fluff the rice with a rice paddle or fork to separate the grains. Now, your delicious and nutritious Gaba rice is ready to be served as a wholesome addition to any meal. Gaba rice isn't just tasty, it also boasts significant health benefits. It contains higher levels of gamma-aminobutyric acid, which supports brain health and relaxation. Compared to regular white rice, Gaba rice provides more dietary fiber, antioxidants, and essential amino acids, making it a superior choice for a balanced diet. Incorporating it into your meals can contribute to overall well-being. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.